Josh Anderson from Customer Support. Today we've got our Elite Vertical Grip, which we'll be going over the installation today. This one here is our standard rifle chassis, but we also have our new AR variants, which supports the AR safety. In the packaging, you're going to get all the hardware needed to do the installation. We also include a wrench to get to the harder to reach screws. To start, we're going to grab our grip mount and slide it over the boss. Today we're using the ACC chassis, but it'll also work with any chassis that uses an AR-15 grip. Take our screw, thread it in place. For securing the screw, you can always go contact and 1/8 turn past, or if you want to use a little bit of blue Loctite, that'll work as well. Take the supplied wrench, and for now we're going to remove these screws. We're going to now take the post. Before mounting the post, go ahead and remove the hardware for now. Line the groove on the inside of the post to the grip mount and secure that in place. Take the supplied wrench. We're going to go ahead and make it snug but not fully tighten, as we're going to use this to adjust our forward and rear position. Now take grip and slide it over the post. To adjust the angle, we're now going to reinstall the smaller screws. Again, we're not going to fully tighten them. We're going to go ahead and make it snug, and we can make our adjustments later on. From here, we now have 2 adjustments that we can make for your individual shooting style. With the smaller screws, we can adjust the angle of the Elite Vertical Grip, and with the supplied wrench, you can access the longer to reach screws to adjust your forward or rearward position. With those loosened off, now you can slide it to the rear or slide it to the forward for the desired shooting position. Once you have it set, take the supplied wrench and tighten the screws. Once everything's set in place, take the final screw with all the hardware secure. We can now take the bottom cap, secure that in place, and there you have it. You now have your Vertical Grip Elite. Thanks for watching.